Dear students, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. How are you? I hope best for you. I Mukesh Kumar welcomes you to online Mukesh Online Academy. आपका मुकेश ऑनलाइन एकेडमी में स्वागत है. And we are doing the chapter 2 of the class 8 maths from ICSE board from the ML Agarwal. Okay, that is the exponent and powers. Okay, and we have already covered this chapter into the previous 4 videos. In the first video, we covered about the laws of exponent and introduction. Then we did the examples in the next 2 videos. And in the last video, we did the question number 1 to 4 of the exercise 2. Now, in this video, we will do the questions 5 to 7. Means 5, 6, 7 into this video. Okay, because this exercise is very long. Actually, there are so many parts also in each and every. So, to keep it short, to make you understand better, we have just made it into the different videos. Okay, and one usual tip that you would have understood, to become best into the maths, practice is necessary. So you start practicing along with me. Take out your note pen, means notebook and pens, okay, and start practicing with me. Practice 3 to 4 times every question. You will become best into the maths, and I know you want to become best into the maths. Okay. So practice is key for the success. Okay, and if you have any doubt, if you have any query about any question, any topic in this video or other videos, then you can always write to me on the WhatsApp or email or in the comments. Definitely we will make another video for your queries. We want to make you best. Okay, so I hope you must be getting benefited, you must be getting knowledge from these videos. Okay, subscribe to it. Ask your friends to subscribe. And if you want to do the live online classes through Zoom app, okay, interactive, face to face, then also you can write to me on the WhatsApp or email. We will share the detail with you. Okay, and I hope you must be getting knowledge from these videos. Share with your friends. Subscribe to it. Ask your friends to subscribe. Okay, and let's start the exercise 2, question number 5. So dear students, so today in this video we will do the exercise 2, question 5 to 8. Okay, so we had done already question number 1 to 4 into the previous video from this exercise. So now in this exercise we will do from question number 5 to 8. So now let's do the 5 question, first part. So here we have power over the powers. Okay, 5.7 is to power 2 is to power minus 1 is to power 3. Okay, so here what will we use? So we will use law. Using law, a is to power m is to power n, okay, is equal to a is to power m into n. That means this 5 upon 7, okay, will be equal to 2 into minus 1, and then again we have the power minus 3. Okay, 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2. So 5 upon 7 is to power minus 2, and then again outside the power we have minus 3, then into minus 3. The same law we will use. Okay, so it will become minus 2 into minus 3 is 6. So it will become 5 upon 7 is to the power 6 is the. Okay, so what we have done in this question, we have used a is to power m is to power n. Okay, so first we multiply 2 and 1. Okay, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So we got here, and then again we have the outside bracket. So minus 3 into minus 2, and minus 3 in minus 2 is 6. So we got the answer 5 upon 7 is to power 6. Okay, now the second part. In second part, we have 2 upon 7 is to power 2, 7 upon 2 is to power minus 3, divided by 7 upon 5 is to power minus 2 is to power minus 2. Okay, in this we have 2 upon 7 and 7 upon 2, and divided by 7 upon 5. So first we will solve this. 7 upon 5 is to power minus 2 is to power minus 4. We will use the same rule that we have used in the previous question. A is to power m into a is to power n. So we will write 2 upon 7 is to power 2 into 7 upon 2 is to power minus 3 divided by, okay, Then we have 7 upon 5 is to power minus 2 into minus 4. Okay, so we got 2 upon 7 is to power 2. We have the minus power here into 7 upon 2 is to power minus 3 divided by, we have 7 upon 5 minus 2 into minus 4 is 8. Okay, so we will write divide 7 upon 5 is to power 8. Okay, so now we have 2 upon 7 is to power 2 into, now this we will convert by using the law that P upon Q is to power minus M is equal to Q upon P is to the power M. So this will become 2 upon 7 is to the power 3 divided by 7 upon 5 is to the power. Okay, so now what will we do? We will use 2 upon 7 is to power 2 into 2 upon 7 is to power 3. Then this division will be converted into the multiplication as we have learned into the rational numbers. Okay, and we will write the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of the next number. And as we know, in case of the exponents, the reciprocal becomes the negative sign, or if we want to give the positive sign, we will just reverse the number. That means it will become 5 upon 7 is to power 8. Okay, so this is how we can do it. Clear? Now we will use the law that P upon Q is to power M. So this M will come here also, M will come here also. P is to power M upon Q is to power M. So this will be 2 is to power 2 upon 7 is to power 2 into 2 is to power 3 upon 7 is to power 3 into 5 is to power 8 upon 7 is to power. Okay. So now this all can be multiplied. That means 2 is to power 2 into 2 is to power 3 into 5 is to power 8 upon 7 is to power 2 into 7 is to power 3 into 7 is to power 8. Now we will use the rule here, a is to power m into a is to power n equals to a is to power m plus n. So this will become 2 is to power 2 plus 3 into 5 is to power 8 upon 7 is to power 2 plus 3 plus 8. So we got the answer 2 plus 3 is 5. So 2 is to power 5 into 5 is to power 8. Then 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 8, 13 to 7 is to power 13. So this is the answer that we have got. So we have the power to, we have the answer 2 is to power 5 into 5 is to power 8 upon 7 is to power 13. I hope you would have got this question clearly. Okay. So first part we have done. In the first part, in this one we have just multiplied 2 and 4 which became plus. Okay. Then we converted the minus into the positive. Okay, by using this law. Okay, then we just change the sign negative to the, sorry, just we change the sign division to the multiplication as we have learned into the rational numbers. Okay, then we just did the distributive rule of the exponents. That means we just took the 2 power 2 also, 2 7 also, we did the same in all. Okay, and then we multiplied them and then we used this law and then we came to this answer. Okay. So now let's do the third part. So in the third part, we have 4 upon 5 to power 2 into 5 to power 4, 2 upon 5 to power minus 2 divided by 5 to power minus 3 upon 2. So here we will first convert this division sign into the multiplication. So we have 4 upon 5 is to power 2 into 5 is to power 4 upon 1 we can write into 2 upon 5 is to power minus 2. This division sign will be converted into the multiplication. And we will write the multiplicative inverse of the next number. And when it is negative sign, okay, then we can write multiplicative inverse as a positive sign. Okay, so whenever we write the multiplicative inverse, we have explained into the different videos. The multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 2 is to power minus 3 will be 5 upon 2 is to the power 3. Either we change the sign or we just reverse the number. We can do any one thing. Okay. So now we have 4 upon 5 is to power 2 into 5 is to power 4 upon 1. Now we have, what we can do, we can just convert this negative by using the law that P upon Q is to power minus M is equals to Q upon P is to the power M. Okay. So we can use this law. So that means it will become 5 upon 2 is to the power 2 into 5 upon 2 is to the power 3. Okay. So this became 4 upon 5 is to the power 2 into 5 is to the power 4 upon 1 into 5 upon 2 and 2 plus 3. Here we are using the law a is to the power m into a is to the power n equals to a is to the power m plus n. Okay, so it will become 4 upon 5 is to the power 2 into 5 is to the power 4 upon 1 into 5 upon 2 is to the power. Okay, so now we can use the law here that p upon q is to the power m equals to p is to the power m upon q is to the power m, distributive law. So that means it will become 4 is to the power 2 upon 5 is to the power 2 into 5 is to the power 4 upon 1 into 5 is to the power 5 upon 2 is to the power 5. Now here 2, this 4 can be converted into the 2 is to the power 2. That means 2 is to the power 2 is to the power 2. Okay, into 5 is to the power 4 into 5 is to the power 5 upon 5 is to the power 2 into 1 into 2 is to the power. Okay, so now this we can use the law a is to the power m is to the power n equals to a is to the power mn, m into n. So this becomes 2 into 2 4. This 2 and 2 will become 4. So we got 2 is to the power 4 into 5 is to the power 4. This 4 plus 5. We have this 5 is to the power 5. So this 4 plus 5. We are using this law a is to the power m into a is to the power n equal to a is to the power m plus n. So 4 plus 5 upon 5 is to the power 2 into 2 is to the power. Okay. Now see, we have now 2 is to the power 4 upon 2 is to the power 5. So that means we can take the 4 to the lower side, so it will become negative. And we can take 5 is to the power 2 to the upper side, so that it will also become negative. So we know that a is to the power m equal to 1 upon a is to the power minus m, or a is to the power 1 upon a is to a power m equals to a is to the power minus m. These law also we have understood. So we got 5 is to the power 4 plus 5 is 9 into 5 is to the power minus 2 upon 2 is to the power 5 into 2 is to the power minus 4. Okay, so now we can use again the same law a is to the power m into n. That means it will become 5 is to the power 9 minus 2 upon 2 is to the power 5 minus 4. So it becomes 5 is to the power 7 upon 2 is to the power 1. That we can write as a 2. So we got the answer 5 is to the power 7 upon 2 is the answer. Or we can write 5 is to the power 7 upon 2 is to the power 1. So this is the answer that we have got for this question. I hope you would have understood this question clearly. Okay. So what we have done in this question, basically, we have just used the laws of exponent. In the first part, we just converted into the division sign into the multiplication and write the multiplicative inverse of the next number. Okay. Then in the next step, we just converted the negative exponent into the positive exponent by just reversing the number. Then we applied the rule just because of the same base, we just added them. Okay. Then we opened this by using the distributive law. Then again we just converted the 4 into the power of 2 and then we added them. So we got the answer. Okay. Now the fourth part of the fifth question. So we have the 8 is to the power minus 1 into 5 is to the power 3 upon 2 is to the power minus 4. Okay. So first 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 is to the power 3. So we can write 8 as a 2 is to the power 3 and then again outside the power minus 1. Then we have 5 is to the power 3 upon 2 is to the power minus 4. So see, now we will use for these two, we will use the law a is to the power m outside power n equal to a is to the power m into n. So it got 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So 2 is to the power minus 3 into 5 is to the power 3 upon 2 is to the power minus 4. Now this 2 is to the power minus 4 can be written up. So I just told you above also a is to the power minus m equal to upon equal to the power m. So whenever any exponent goes up or down, then the sign of this exponent changes. So that means it becomes 2 is to the power minus 3. This 2 is to the power minus 4 when it goes up, it will become 4 plus, okay, and into 5 is to the power 3. Now here we will use law a is to the power m into a is to the power n. Here we have the minus, so equal to a is to the power n minus m. So that means 2 is to the power 4 minus 3 into 5. So we got 2 is to the power 1, 5 is to the power 3 into 5 is to the power 3 is the answer that we have. And since we have to left in the exponential form, so we got the answer 2 is to the power 1 into 5 is to the power 3. Okay. I hope you have understood all the questions of the fifth. Okay, all the 4 parts of the fifth question. If you have any doubt, then you can write to me. Now let's do the sixth question. In the sixth question, we have that minus 2 is to power 3 is to power 2, then plus 5 is to power minus 3, and then division, and then minus 1 upon 2 is to power 0. Okay, so here we will have to use the BODMAS rule also. Okay, so first what we will do, we are using the first law in this one, a is to power n is to power n equals to a is to power m into n. So this law, in this one we are using this law. So it will become minus 2 is to power 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Then plus, we have the 5 to power 3 is divided by 5 to power minus 5, or we can use this also, a to power n divided by a to power n equal to a to power n minus n. Okay, clear? Or we can use the different thing also. So it became 5 to power minus 3, then again both we have the minus, then minus, again minus, and then for this one we will use the law that a to power 0 equal to 1. So that means minus 1 upon 2 will become. Okay, so now we have the minus 2 to power 6 plus 5 to power minus 3. This minus sign will become plus, as we have learned into the rational numbers also, plus 5 minus. This minus 2 to power 6. As I told you the law first, if we have minus 1 is to power 6, then it will be 1. So that means the result will become positive. The minus 2 is to power 6 will be equals to minus 2 into 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 minus 2 6 times. 2, 4, 6 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. Then 4 into 4 is 16 into 4. That means we got the 64. So minus 2 is to power 6, we will write 64. Plus 5, minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5 means 5 minus 3 means 2. So 5 is to power 2 minus 1. And 5 is to power 2 means 5 into 5. So which is 25. So 5 is to power 2 means 5 into 5, which is equals to 25. Okay, minus 1. So we will add, so 64, 25 minus 1 is 24. Okay, we will put the equal sign with all the things. So 64 plus 24 means 88. Okay, now this we have to convert into the exponential form. So what will we do? We will just take the prime factors of the 88. So 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 1, 2 1 ja 1, 11 1 ja 1. So we have got 2 3 times. That means 2 is to power 3. 2 3 means 2 is to power 3, and 11 means 11 is to power 1. 2 is to power 3 into 11 is to power 1, or we can write like this also, 2 is to power 3 into 11 is the answer. Okay, I hope you would have got this answer. Now we will do the second part of the question 6. See, in the second part also we have to use all the things, BODMAS, everything. Okay, and the laws of exponents also we have to use. So we have the question 3 is to power minus 5 into 3 is to power 2 divided by 3 is to power minus 6 plus 2 is to power 2 into 3. Then again we have the power 2. Then plus 2 upon 3 is to power minus 1. Then plus 2 is to power minus 1. Then plus 1 upon 19 is to power minus 1. Okay. So let's start doing with the BODMAS rule. So first we will solve the 3 is to power 2 into 3 is to power, divided by 3 is to power minus 6. So we will write 3 is to power minus 5 into 3 is to power 2. This division sign will be converted into the multiplication. And we will write the multiplicative inverse of the next number. And the multiplicative inverse of the next number is the sign of the exponent changes, then it becomes plus. Okay, or we could have done it just the way that we did in the previous question. So I have told you some other way here because you can come to know all the ways. Okay, then plus we have 2 is to power 2 into 3 is to power 2. Again we have the power 2. So here what will we do? We have to solve this bracket first. 2 is to power 2 means 4 into 3 is to power 2 plus. Now we will use the law P upon Q is to power minus M equals to Q upon P is to power M. For this 2 upon 3 is to power minus 1, so it will become 3 upon 2 is to the power 1. Plus 2 is to power minus 1, we know that a is to power minus m equal to 1 upon a is to power m. So for 2 is to power minus 1, so this will become 1 upon 2 is to power 1. Again for 1 upon 19 is to power minus 1, we will use the same law, p upon q is to power minus m. So it will become 19 upon 1 is to the power. So now this will become, here for this purpose, we will use the law a is to power m into a is to power n equals to a is to power m plus n. So this will become minus 5 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 3 are 12, 12 is to power 2 plus 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 because 1 is 1 plus 19 upon. See this 3, 6 plus 2 8, 8 minus 5 3, so we got 3 is to power 3 plus 12 is to power 2. 12 is to power 2 means 12 into 12 which is equals to 144. Okay, we can multiply that. 144 plus 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 19 upon. So 3 is to power 3 means 27 plus 144. We can solve this. So we have the common LCM 2, 3 plus 1 plus 9. Okay. So 27 plus 144. 3 plus 1 is 4 upon 2 plus 19. 2 and 4 can be divided 2. So we got 27 plus 144 plus 2 plus 19. We just add them. So 27, 144, 2 and 19 and 2. So we got 2, 9, 1, 11, 7, 18, 4, 22, 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 9. We got 192. Okay. So now we will just take the prime factorization of the 192. So 192 prime factorization. Okay. 2, 2 9 is 18, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6 and 3 1. So we have got 2 1, 2 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we got 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So we have got the 2 3 6 times. So that means this is 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 1. Or we can write 2 to the power 6 into 3 is the answer in the exponential. Okay. So I hope you would have got the answer. So we have uses the different law. Whatever laws we have learned till now as the Brodmann rule or the distributive rule or the laws of exponents, all the laws we have explained. Okay, so you just watch it again and again, so you will come to know how the solution has taken place. Okay, so now I hope you would have understood both the parts of the sixth question. Now let's do the seventh question. We have to simplify and write in the exponential form with the negative exponents. So till now we have been writing into the positive exponents. Now we have to write the answer into the negative exponent. So then the first part we have 5 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 5 to the power 3. Okay. So here we have 5 to the power 3. So here we will use the law that P upon Q is to the power M equals to P is to the power M upon Q is to the power M. Okay. So this will become 5 is to the power 3 into 4 of is to the power 3 upon 5 is to the power 3. Okay. Clear? So now this 5 to the power 3 will go up. So it will become 5 to the power 3 minus 3 into 4 to the power 3. So it will become 5 to the power 0 into 4 to the power 3. And we know that a to the power 0 equal to 1. So that means it becomes 1 into 4 to the power 3 which is equal to 4 to the power 3. But we have to write with the negative exponent. So we will write the answer since we know that a to the power m equals to 1 upon a to the power minus m. So this answer will be 1 upon 4 is to the power minus 3 is the answer. Okay. Now the second part. In the second part we have 3 upon 7 is to the power minus 2 is to the power minus 3. Okay. So here we will use the law that a upon a is to the power m is to the power n equals to a is to the power m into n. Okay. So that means, okay, so this minus 2 and minus 3 will be multiplied. So we will have 3 upon 7 is to the power minus 2 into minus 3. Okay. So this will be 3 upon 7 minus 2 into minus 3 is 6. Okay. Now since we have to change it into the negative exponent, so we can do it opposite, like P upon Q is to the power M will be equal to Q upon P is to the power minus M. We can do the opposite to convert it into the negative exponent. So it will become 7 upon 3 is to the power minus 6 will be the answer. Okay. I hope you would have got this answer. This is 7 upon 3 is to the power minus 6. Now we will do the third part. So in the third part we have question 5 upon 9 is to the power minus 2 into 5 upon 3 is to the power 2 divided by 1 upon 5 is to the power minus 2. Okay. First let's solve this division sign first. So we will have 5 upon 9 is to the power minus 2 into 5 upon 3 is to the power 2 into, okay, then division will be converted into the multiplication as we have learned into the rational number, and the next number we will write the multiplicative inverse. And as we have learned the multiplicative inverse of a number with a negative exponent, we just change the exponent, so it becomes 1 upon 5 is to the power. Okay, clear? So now what we can do, we will just change this negative exponent to the positive exponent. Okay, so this will become 9 upon 5 is to the power 2. That means we are using the law that P upon Q is to the power minus M equal to Q upon P is to the power M into 5 upon 3 is to the power 2 into 1 upon 5 is to the power 2. And we have learned one more thing, one more law, that if we have A is to the power M into B is to the power M, this is equal to A into B is to the power M, and this is true for 3 numbers also, like A is to the power M into B is to the power M into C is to the power M equals to A into B into C is to the power M. So since they have the same powers 2 to 2, so it will become 9 upon 5 into 5 upon 3 into 1 upon 5 is to the power. This 5 and this 5 will be divided. This 3 will divide the 9. So we got inside the bracket 3 upon 5 is to the power 2. Now since we have to express the result in a negative exponent, so we will use this in a reverse. So it will become 5 upon 3 is to the power minus 2 is the answer of this question. I hope you would have understand this. Now we will do the fourth part of this question. See, in the fourth part we have 2 is to the power minus 1 in bracket 5 upon 3 is to the power 4, then plus 3 upon 5 is to the power minus 2, then in division we have division it's 70 upon 9. Okay. So first, according to the BODMAS rule, we will solve this bracket first. So we have 2 is to the power minus 1, then bracket 5 upon 3 is to the power 4. So that means we will use the law that P upon Q is to the power M equals to P is to the power M upon Q is to the power M. So it will become 5 is to the power 4 upon 3 is to the power 4 plus this. Now here for this we will just change the sign to the positive sign. The P upon Q is to the power minus M will be equal to Q upon P is to the power M. That means it became 5 upon 3 is to the power division 17 upon 9. Then 2 is to the power minus 1 will become 1 upon 2 is to, then A is to the power M minus M equal to 1 upon A is to the power M into bracket 5 is to the power 4. See, 5 is to the power 4 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That means 5 have the 25. 25 into 25 is 620. So we got 625 upon 3 is to the power 4. It means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9 into 9 means 81. Plus 5 upon 3 is to the power 2. That means 5 is to the power 2. Okay. So 5 is to the power 2 upon 3 is to the power 2 divided by 17 upon 9. So 1 upon 2 into we have 625 upon 81 plus 5 is to the power 2 means 25. 3 is to the power 2 means 9. What we can do simultaneously, we can just multiply it and then write the reciprocal of the rest number 9 upon 7. Okay. Now we will solve this bracket. So the LCM of 81 and 9 will be 81 because 9 9 is 81. So we have 1 upon 2 into 625 upon 81 into 25 into 9, that if this is plus upon 9 into 9 upon 7. So this will be 1 upon 2 into 625 upon 81 plus 25 9 we have 225 upon 81 into 9 upon 7. So 1 upon 2 into 625 and 625 and 225, so it will become 850. So into 850 upon 81 into 9 upon 7. And we can divide 17 and 850. 17 5 ja, 5 7 ja 35, 85. So when we divide 17 and 85, it will go by 50. 81 and 9 can also be divided. 9 9 ja 81. We can divide 2 and 50 also. 2 5 25 is that 20. So we got 25 upon 9. Now since we have to write into the exponential form, so 25 will be equal to 5 into 5. 9 will be equal to 3 into 3. That means 5 is to power 2 upon 3 is to power 2. So now we can use the law that a is to power m upon b is to power m equal to a upon b is to the power m. So it became 5 upon 3 is to the power 2. Since we have to write the answer into the negative exponent, so this will become 3 upon 5 is to the power minus 2 is the answer that we have. Okay, so this is the answer. I hope you would have understood this question also. Now let's do the fifth part. So the fifth part we have minus 7 is to the power 3 upon 1 upon minus 7 is to the power minus 9 divided by minus 7 is to the power 10. Okay, so we will write minus 7 is to the power 3 into this one. We can just use the law that p upon q is to the power minus n equals to q upon p is to the power m. So this will become minus 7 upon 1 is to the power 9. Then divided by minus 7 is to the power. Okay, clear? So this became minus 7 is to the power 3 into minus 7 is to the power 9. This division can be converted into the multiplication, and we will write the reciprocal inverse of the next number, and in this case the sign will be changed minus 10. We can do both way. Either we can reverse the number and keep the positive sign same, or we can change the sign. Okay, both way we can do. Now we have got minus 7, minus 7, minus 7. So that means we will use the law a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. Since we have 3, so we can apply it for 3 also. So minus 7, 3 plus 9 minus 10. 3 plus 9 is 12 and 12 minus 10 is 2. So we got minus 7 is to the power. Okay, so then we have, so minus 7 is to the power 2 can be written as 7 is to the power 2 also, because minus 7 is to the power 2 means 49, and 49 can be written as 7 is to the power. Okay, so since we have to write into the negative exponent, so it will be 1 upon 7 is to the power minus 2 is the answer that we will get. Okay, I hope you have understood all the parts of the 7th question. So dear students, in the next video we will do the remaining question, that means the question number from 8 to 13 that we will complete into the next video related to the exponent and powers. So thank you so much for your watching. Write your comments about the video, about the query, about the topic, and any doubt into the comment. Okay, and you can write to me on the WhatsApp or email also. Okay, now you can follow me on the Instagram and Telegram also, and I hope you must be practicing. You know, in maths, practice is the only key. More you practice, more you get. So you should practice each and every question many times. Then only you can get the better answers. Okay, and you will become best into the maths. Okay, so I hope you must be getting knowledge from these videos. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to it. Ask your friends to subscribe. And if you want to do the live online classes on the Zoom, interactive, face to face, then also you can write to me on the WhatsApp or email. We will share the details with you, both individual and group. So I hope you must be getting knowledge from it. So share it, subscribe it, ask your friend to subscribe. Thank you so much.